Hi everyone, welcome to 177th episode of Campus This Week. I am RJ Pragya of Mass Communication and Journalism Department, 5th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Solution 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by South Indian Bank Siliguri. Experience first-gen banking. The headlines this week: Bishop Eric Benjamin Memorial Lecture held. Departments study renowned films. College hosts recruitment for Geo World Center. Library interns visit Mirik. Elite Talk 18th edition held. Urvansh selected to represent Eastern region. Students get hands-on experience in AI gaming. Anchors Association formed. Catechism students go on pilgrimage. Photo of the week. The news in detail. Sonada, Bishop Eric Benjamin Memorial Lecture held. Sambriddhi Lama of English Department, 5th semester, reports.
On the 2nd of September 2024, Salesian College Sonada organized a special lecture on Bishop Eric Benjamin Tamang, the first bishop of Darjeeling Diocese. The event began with the lighting of the lamp, followed by an introduction to late Bishop Eric Benjamin by the Vice Principal, Dr. Augustine Joseph. The head of the English department, Miss Ashwini Tamang, introduced the chief guest, Dr. Saikit Sarkar, Assistant Professor of Kuch Bihar Panchanan, Burma University. Dr. Sarkar delivered a lecture on reading Ghosh, The Living Mountain, Decoding the Anthropocene. The session also included an interactive session followed by a Q&A segment, allowing participants to engage actively with the speaker. The event concluded with a vote of thanks delivered by Brother Johnny Timpun. Token of appreciation was then presented to the chief guest by Dr. Terence Mukhya, Dean of Arts and Humanities.
Sambriddhi Lama reporting. Siliguri, departments study renowned films. Deepjyoti Burman of MA Psychology 3rd semester reports.
In the first day screening held in Savia Block on 29th August 2024, PG Coordinator and Assistant Professor Mr. Peter Lepcha's insightful opening speech, followed by Vice Principal Father Dr. Saju's address. Nisha Nath from English Department was anchor for the event. The English Department presented the film Dangerous Minds, analyzing and discussing its historical and cultural relevance, symbolism, and character portrayals. The Psychology Department presented Schindler's List, exploring themes of the Holocaust, psychological theories, and resilience. The Education Department presented on Lapata Ladies, focusing on the portrayal of women in society and the fight against patriarchy. Assistant Professor Peter Lepcha and Professors G. N. Roy and Irshad Ghulam Ahmed provided observations at the end of the session. The second day, held in Don Bosco Block on 2nd September, featured English Department presentation on Shawshank Redemption and the Psychology Department's Dangerous Minds through psychological lenses. Vice Principal Father Saju and department heads shared their observations. The seminar concluded with a vote of thanks by Nisha Nath.
Deepjyoti Burman reporting. Siliguri, college host recruitment for Geo World Center. Tia Gupta, PCA Department, 3rd semester, reports.
Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri Industry Partner Emporium Training and Consultancy Private Limited Kolkata brought the Geo World Center, a world-class business and cultural hub situated at Bandra, Mumbai, and headed by Madam Neetu Ambani for recruitment of young graduates for food and beverage associate positions. For 6 September 2024 event of 173 registered candidates, 110 turned up for the program. Group discussions and personal interview were conducted by Mr. Kiran, Manager of Food and Beverage Services, and Mr. Nakul Moghe, Leader of Learning and Development. 33 candidates were shortlisted and informed that their final interview will be taken online next week. The date and time for virtual interview will be communicated later. Shortlisted candidates were given tips on how they should face the final interview. The program ended with a group photo.
Tia Gupta reporting. Siliguri library interns visit Mirik. Sushmita Chowhan, Psychology Department, 5th semester, reports.
The semester, 9 library interns and 2 librarians with Rector of Salesian College Siliguri visited the scenic tourist destination Mirik on 31st of August 2024. Their first stop was at Don Bosco School, Mirik, where they were warmly welcomed by Rector Father Jacob Tit and Principal Father Solomon Rai. Then the group visited Auxilium Center for Holistic Healing located just walking distance from the school. Their sister Anjana Rai conducted a demonstration on acupressure and acupuncture. After a sumptuous lunch, the group visited the mesmerizing Mirik Lake and returned to college.
Sushmita Chowhan reporting. Siliguri Elite Talk 18th edition held. Manish Pradhan, Mass Communication and Journalism Department, 5th semester, reports.
Salesian College Siliguri campus hosted the much anticipated Elite Talk 18th edition on 2nd September 2024. The program commenced with a welcome note by the anchor of the event, Prashish Chetri, Department of Psychology, 3rd semester. Vice Principal of Sciences and Director of Radio Salesian, Father C.M. Paul, led the invocation prayer and provided an overview of the Elite Talk, emphasizing its importance in nurturing public speaking among students. The judges for the event were Ms. Samantha Gurung and Sister Pascalina. Among 6 speakers was Bhumika Bhandari of BCA, who spoke on the topic The Art of Judgment, Melissa Tamang of BBA Tourism, who discussed hostel life, Arman Tamang of BBA Tourism shared on mindset, Nikunj Agarwal of BBA Management explored the topic of vulnerability, Apurva Tamang of BBA Department dwelled into imposter syndrome, and Rohil Thapa of BBA spoke on the influence of music on mood. The speaker of the day was awarded to Nikunj Agarwal and runner-up Arman Tamang. The program concluded with a vote of thanks by Shreya Bishwas.
Manish Pradhan reporting. Siliguri Urvansh selected to represent Eastern Region. Sumit Prasad of Commerce Department, 5th semester, reports.
3 students from Salesian College were selected for the Eastern Region round of Future 4.0, organized by Young Indians. Sumit Prasad of Commerce Department, 5th semester, competed in health category at an event held in Durg, Chhattisgarh on 5th September. Vedant Agarwal and Urvansh of Commerce Department represented the college in Jamshedpur, Jharkhand on 7th September with the topic focused on road safety. The competition drew participants from across the region, offering a platform for young minds to showcase their innovative ideas. Urvansh of Commerce Department 3rd semester emerged as the winner in the road safety category, bringing pride to the college with his outstanding performance. Urvansh will now represent Salesian College at national level in New Delhi, where only 6 participants have been selected from across the country.
Sumit Prasad reporting. Siliguri students get hands-on experience in AI gaming. Aron Raphael Moktan, Mass Communication and Journalism Department, 5th semester, reports.
Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri campus recently hosted a one-day gaming van event organized by the HP AMDA Ryzen team for the second time this semester on 3rd September 2024. The setup allowed students to explore the latest in gaming technology and artificial intelligence. Featuring advanced gaming rigs and AI-driven innovations, the event offered hands-on experiences that highlighted the evolving landscape of digital entertainment. Students eagerly engaged with the technology, gaining insights into how AI is shaping the future of gaming. This initiative by HP AMDA Ryzen team demonstrated their commitment to innovative learning, bringing cutting-edge experiences directly to the campus. The event was both educational and inspiring, giving students a glimpse into the future of gaming and AI.
Aron, Raphael, Moktan reporting. Siliguri, Anchors Association formed. Prajjwalita Kundu, English Department 3rd semester reports.
The Anchors Association of Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri organized an orientation program on 2nd September 2024. The session began with a brief introduction of the association, followed by an invocation and opening remarks by Vice Principal Father Dr. Saju Puthuseri. The main session was conducted by Assistant Professor and PG Coordinator Mr. Peter Lepcha, who provided valuable insights and guidance to the aspiring anchors. Utkrishta Sharma from English Department 5th semester served as the anchor for the event. Shivani Sarda of BBA 5th semester delivered the vote of thanks.
Prajjwalita Kundu reporting. Siliguri, Catechism students go on pilgrimage. Muskaan Ekka, Economics Department 3rd semester reports.
Rector of Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri led a group of 80 plus Catechism students on a pilgrimage on 7 September 2024 with the primary objective of fostering camaraderie among the students. The group arrived at Don Bosco School Odlabari after a 1.5-hour drive. They greeted Rector and Principal Father Tijo Thomas, whose birthday fell on 8 September. Students offered khada, sang birthday songs and enjoyed snacks offered by Father Tijo. While student volunteers prepared lunch at Don Bosco School, others left for newly constructed Patibari Church in Lees Liberty Garden to celebrate the Holy Eucharist. After Mass, the group visited the family of deceased Rufina Topo, a student of BBA Department 6th semester. The group then returned to Odlabari for lunch, followed by a social gathering featuring accent songs and dance. The pilgrimage helped foster bonding among students and creating a memorable experience.
Muskaan Ekka reporting. Photo of the week. Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri History Department Batch of 2022 and NCC Cadet Samuel Jojo completed 11 months training in Officers Training Academy in Chennai on 7th September 2024 and is commissioned as Lieutenant of Indian Army. That's all for now from all of us at Radio Salesian. This show was brought to you by South Indian Bank Siliguri. Experience first-gen banking. Thank you for being with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.